Okay, folks, we're going to show you what we've been working on over the last couple of weekends. We missed a video here or so. So we're coming up out of the garage and I wanted to show you this beautiful welcome wreath that my daughter Killian gave us for Christmas. It's one of Jim's favorite decorative items. And I'm not sure if I ever showed off my stained glass window that was in the main hallway bathroom. I did that with glass and fingernail polish. And what we've been doing this last 2 or 3 weeks is putting down the beautiful floor in the main part of the house. And we're waiting for the gentleman contractor to come in and replace this long window with a little bit shorter one by about 3/4 size. And we have put the tile down on the kitchen area floor. Kitchen is going to be 92 square feet total. We have delivery of our brand new, spankety new gas oven and range set. And we've been moving some of the furniture from the library area over here into the great room area so that we could get into the library area. And you'll notice that we have brand new flooring, wall to wall, in the library. And the reason our beds are in here is because we had to move them out of the corner bedroom, which is down this hallway, so that we could work on it. Now, I think you remember that we did cedar lining in the master walk-in closet. So that's what that looks like now. I'm not crazy about that fluorescent light. I'm hoping I can talk Jim into replacing it later. And here's what we've been doing in the corner bedroom. This is going to end up becoming a office for us, and this is where we're going to keep our computers. And so the camera makes the gray in here look a lot darker than it actually is. I think on a scale of 1 to 10, it's about a 4.5 or a 5. For comparison, here's like one of those electrical boxes, the gray electrical boxes, and then the color of the gray next to it you can see is much lighter. So in comparison, you could look back. But I pretty much have gotten most of the walls painted. I still have to cut in the color around the window, which used to be a reddish brown stain. And I've found that the white colored windowsills just make the room pop better, and it takes away the darkness. Jim, bless his heart, spent all day upgrading the electrics. So now instead of just 4 boxes around the walls, we now have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 electrical outlets in this room. And the biggest reason for that is if we bring all our computer equipment in here, our printers and scanners and all the other peripherals, we're going to need a lot of power sources. So Jim made sure that we wouldn't have a lack of plugs. And so we're going to replace that light, probably with one of those real pretty booby lights. And we replaced the ugly brown creaky crackety fan with a brand new one and put the gorgeous medallion up underneath it, which I love. We're doing that on all the fans here in the house. And what you probably didn't notice also that I forgot to show you was that we decided to take 2 of the lights down and put fans up instead. So throughout the great room, in the main part of the house, we literally have 5 fan lights that are going to keep the air moving throughout the whole house. So I'm really excited. We're doing some good work here at the house and hope you enjoyed keeping up with us.